Hey Morgan, this is Cisco. We spoke on May the 4th, and as promised, I was going to send out this website audit for you. Apologies for the delay, just got super busy, but here it is. So I'm going to go ahead and jump right to it. Morgan, looking at your website, I really like the design. Some of the things that I look for right away is I look for content. Do you have 1,500 words to 2,000 words of content? The reason being is because that helps you be optimized with Google. At the same time, I'm looking for keywords. And basically, a keyword is anything someone might type into Google looking for a particular service or product. And you want to place those keywords within your content. But specifically, diving a little bit deeper, I'm looking for buyer intent keywords. Okay. And what that includes, it includes the services that you offer plus the name of the city. Okay, and I noticed that you service many cities, so I have to look for a little bit more. For example, heating services, this is what you do, and then I look for the specific city. Now, some of the things I look for does I have heating services Rainbow City. That's a key word, okay? And we're going to dive in a little bit deeper as to what that means. Now, the reason why you want keywords on your website is because you want to tell Google exactly what terms you want your website to be ranked for. Okay, so for example, if you do AC repair in Lincoln, Alabama, you want to let them know I do AC repair in Lincoln, Alabama. So let's just jump over to this tab here. This is my tool called Ahrefs. It helps you understand what you're being ranked for and how well and how powerful your website is. So jumping over to this section here, this is your strength or authority score. And currently you're being indexed at 39, which is great. This is high. This, however, is your trust flow, and you're being indexed at 5, a lot lower than your strength, which is why it's affecting how well your website's ranking. Now, some of those factors that take into consideration how strong your website is doing your backlinks. Okay, currently right now you have 294 backlinks with 223 referring domains. Now, a backlink is anywhere you find one website linking to another via clickable or hyperlink text. Okay. Now, not all backlinks are created equal. Okay, so it's worth noting that you want to get strong, relevant backlinks within your industry. So you do HVAC, you do air conditioning, you do heaters. So you want to get backlinks with referring domains that are within that industry. Now, if you were to get, for example, a backlink that is in the food industry, then this could hinder these scores. Now, last thing I want to go over is your organic keywords. What keywords are you currently ranking for? And in your case, you want to be able to rank for specific keywords in these areas. Okay, so let's just go with Lincoln. I'm looking for Lincoln, Alabama keywords. For example, here, this is a good one. AC Services, Lincoln, Alabama. Buyer intent keywords. It has what specific customers are looking for AC services, and you got Lincoln, Alabama. Now, I do want to search for something that's a little bit more in detail. For example, AC repair, right? Because when someone's searching for that on Google, hey, my AC went out, I need it repaired, I need it now. Okay, so let's look at what your competition's doing before we jump into that keyword. It's heating and air conditioning, Lincoln, Alabama. This is a good keyword. That's what I'm looking for, because now they're targeting these specific keywords because they understand that those are buyer intent keywords. Now let's look at what your competition, which is Freedom Heating and Cooling, what are they doing? So AC Services. Now let's look for what I'm looking for. AC Services Lincoln, that's good. Lincoln Heating and Cooling, Lincoln AC Repair. Okay, so let's just stick with this one. The volume here is 10. Estimated 10 folks a month are searching for this. Now, let's just take AC Repair Lincoln, Alabama. Let's take that keyword and see what pops up. This is where you want to get down and understand if your business is being ranked for that specific keyword. So here, this is we're just going to take it section by section. This is the Google Guarantee section. This is if you want fast results. Okay, this is if you want business right away. Folks are paying to be here. So anytime I click on it or I call, they're going to get charged. Same thing with this section. So this is for fast, quick results. Okay, you just got to pay for those. This section here is the Google My Business page, which is my favorite because this is where 30 to 40% of calls come in. Okay, and this is just organic. So every time I click on it, you won't get charged, okay, because you're already ranking there organically versus the Google ads you pay for. Okay, that's why you see a mixture of businesses here. And this is the organic listings. When I mean organic is you're already paying for SEO, you're organically being set up here. Okay, your Google's already ranking you on the first pages of Google. So here we see Freedom and Heating. Clearly they got the #1 spot because of the work that they've done. Okay, so hopefully all this information, hopefully I was able to just break it down a little bit further for you, Morgan. We'll love your thoughts. We'll love to see if you have any questions. We'll love some feedback. Let me know if you have any questions, any thoughts. I would like to just dive in a little bit deeper as to how we can help you if you want to increase your Google rankings. And this would apply for each and every one of these areas. You do want to do some work for each of these areas. Therefore, you can get more business for each location. Anyhow, thank you so much for your time, and we'll talk to you soon.